Star Tap dancers. So the last video, you guys learned your toe tap, your heel tap, what I call the other tap, and your heel tap with a weight shift transition so you can switch sides, okay? You learned that on both sides, and you learned this cute little mini warm-up, our part of it, okay? So before we even get started, let's just start with that little mini warm-up, okay? Charon Tap Star here at #1 Hoofer, helping you surpass your personal best. And this is for my absolute beginner tap dancers who want to tap dance and just have always wanted to tap dance but never had a chance. I am here for you. Okay, you guys, so if you didn't do that last video, then I have a little thing up here. Click up there and you'll be able to learn the first part, and then you can come back and join us here, okay? I love you. Put in the work. Okay, here we go. So everyone that was here the week before, let's go ahead and do the fours, okay? Just join me right now. Jump in. Let's go. Other side. Heels. Tap. Excellent. Go again. Does this feel comfortable now? Did you practice? Excellent. Okay, that's all I'm going to have us do right now with that, okay? So now I want us to do a different body movement, etc. with the toe and the heel tap, okay? And we're going to do exactly what I just did, which was a toe, like you're stepping on it, step, heels off the ground still though, so you can put it down, heel, okay? When you put that heel down, your weight has shifted some, so you can do the other side, okay? Let me turn it an angle. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, good, heel, keep going, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, excellent, all right, I want you to speed that up, step, heel, 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 come on. Good job, you guys. All right, give me this. A step and 3 heels. Now shift sides. Now shift sides. Now shift sides. Okay, good. All right, so give me this. I'm going to give you a little mini something. So give me what I call singles. Single, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, okay? So for the regular, basic, single, whatever I'm calling it, version. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Then we're going to do the one with the 3 heels. Step. Okay? Excellent. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, and step. Heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, 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 step, heel, 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 step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, 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 step, heel, heel, heel. Love you so much. Did you hear the doggy snoring? Oh my God. All right, you guys, here we go. 1, 2, a little bit faster. 1, 2, here we go. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, 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 step, heel, 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 step, heel, 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 step, heel, heel, heel. Give it to me again. And heel, 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 heel. Proud of you guys, okay, good job. All right, excellent. So now I'm going to introduce you to, or do I want to? No, I'm not. I'm going to give you this now. Now, you know when you're marching, let's march. We're all together. It's all I can think mango. Don't throw tomato at me. Okay, stamp, flat foot, right? Excellent. Okay, I'm going to show you a ball change, okay? So it's like you do a stamp and a stamp, okay? But you're going to jump it. So give me this only. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Can you see it? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, here's the jumping of it. 1, 2. Did you see that? 1, 2. Okay? I'm going to face the back. 1, 2. And that's all it is. 1, 2. Okay? And that is what we call a ball change, you guys. Okay? Say ball change, ball change, ball change, ball change. All right. So yeah, that's the ball change. So let's play with those. Let's go. 1, again. 1, again. 1, again. 1, again. Uh-huh. 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 All right, you guys. Good job. Now, of course, we always have to do the other leg, okay? Or at least I do. We're going to be well-rounded hookers over here, okay? So, you're going to stamp. I was doing my right first this whole time. If you were not doing your right the whole time, it's okay. Just simply switch and do the other leg, okay? But this is my left. So, whatever leg you were doing, do the opposite. So, here we go. Get used to it. Feel your body. Okay, here comes our ball change. Ready? Good? Okay, you know what? Let's put all of that together. Why not? Okay? So we're going to go from here. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step. 3 heels. Do it again. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. 3 heels. Here comes our ball changes. To the back last time, and you're out of here, superstars. Good job on putting in the work, all right? Wax on, wax off. It's going to pay off. Ready, and step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, 3. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, 3. Stamp, stamp. The road to being number 1, even more number 1 than you are. All right, you guys, I love you so much. Good job on putting in the work. Practice this 5 times a week. Do this whole video, everything I just did, the whole video 5 times a week, and your body is going to get comfortable. Your muscles are going to get used to it, and it's going to be good for you progressing along on this amazing journey that I'm about to take you on, okay? But get your basics. Wax on, wax off. I love you guys. Number 1 Hoopers, go! Charon Tap Star out. See you next week. Remember, no one starts at number 1. You have to work for it. Number 1 Hoopers, let's go! Show your appreciation. Like this video now.